Luxury vinyl tile, commonly referred to as LVT, and luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, are types of resilient flooring that loosely describe a vinyl-based flooring product that closely mimics the look of natural material through realistic images and textures. Now, using the word luxury and vinyl in the same sentence may have once seemed like an oxymoron, but new technologies have yielded a product that offers striking visuals and performance attributes that often make it a preferred flooring choice to natural materials like hardwood or stone. In addition, changes in the economy like we've seen over the last 10 years or so have created demand for a value-added product, and LVT certainly fits that bill. Luxury vinyl flooring takes on several forms, from stone, slate, marble, and ceramic tile looks to dozens upon dozens of wood looks. The ability to replicate real hardwood and real stone using advanced photographic technologies is the foundation of an LVT. One of the many things that distinguish LVT from other types of flooring is the shape of the individual pieces. Now, LVT products are usually square, and they range in size from like a 12 by 12 size or a 24 by 24 or rectangular sizes that might be 12 inches by 24 inches. Because wood looks are so popular in the LVP category, luxury vinyl planks often imitate wood flooring sizes from standard plank shapes like 3 inches wide by 36 inches long, or 4.5 inches wide by 4 feet long, as well as 7 inches or 9 inches wide. These planks can be as long as 6 or 8 feet. LVT can be composed of virgin vinyl, recycled content, or a vinyl limestone mixture. Any wood-looking LVT will usually be made of all vinyl, while stone-look LVT might have some stone composition. LVT panels usually consist of 4 layers fused together. The finish is usually an aluminum oxide, urethane, or a ceramic base layer that prevents excessive wear from scratching and scuffs. The clear film layer is next. That's designed to prevent rips and tearing. And then the design layer is the photorealistic print of stone or wood that gives the floor the natural look of an authentic material. The bottom layer is the core. Now, that's the part that gives the flooring its structure and rigidity. The LVT benefits include ease of maintenance, and simple cleanup is accomplished with just damp mopping. LVT is almost always 100% waterproof, and manufacturers guarantee that it's water resistant. This makes it among the most practical of all flooring styles since it's impervious to wet spills. It's highly scratch and stain and dent resistant, and its durability is great, with many manufacturers offering warranties of 20 years, 30 years, even lifetime guarantees. At Satolli Carpet and Floor Covering, we offer a beautiful showroom with displays of nearly 100 different qualities, styles, colors, and species of wood, stone, and ceramic looks in the luxury vinyl category. We would love for you to visit our beautiful downtown showroom in Warren to see the beauty and affordability for yourself. For more information, you can call Satolli Carpet at 330-394-7573 or check out our website at satollicarpet.com.